Welcome back to the channel. Another day, another episode, Moody channel. And if you remember, the last time when we changed the light in the tow truck, I told you I'm gonna replace another two lights. Finally, I ordered them and they came. And we're gonna install them today. We're gonna put them in the truck to make it brighter and brighter. We're gonna open it together, see the light. We didn't order a harness or anything this time. We ordered just two lights and we're gonna put them in the truck. Let's open the box, see the light and install them in the truck. if you noticed, we add another two lights. We ordered two lights and we add them because they are really bright. I did a couple of accidents and I needed these lights. We put two here, and now the other one we ordered, we put them on the side. To be honest with you, installing like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts, couple of 4 wires, and it's done. For me, I have everything wired because I have lights. But I have to replace my old light and put a new light. It's priceable. It's not cheap, but they are a good light for the price they are offered, and they are bright. That's the most important thing for me. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you change your light, and don't forget, subscribe, hit the like button if you want, and leave a comment below. Thank you guys, and have a wonderful night or have a wonderful day wherever you are around the world. Thank you.